Good evening from InvestSharp.com. It is Sunday, April the 4th, and this is Randy Smotone with your weekly watch list. We'll start out with some ascending triangles. First off is SNH. It's looking good. Watch for a breakout over this 2250 area or so. Borg Warner actually had a breakout on this one. Tons of volume here. Nice kind of ascending triangle here. Nice breakout here. So watch for some more upside on Borg Warner. GDX, the gold miners ETF. Watch for a breakout here around the 47 level of this ascending triangle. Gold was definitely pretty strong there towards the end of the week. Now for some symmetrical triangles. DGP, this is the double gold long ETF. So see there's symmetrical triangle here. So watch for a breakout. Of course, or a breakdown. Triangles can actually break either way, but looking for a breakout on this one. EJ, watch the China stocks. FXI is looking good, so watch the China stocks. Watch this one to break out over this 20.075 or so area. Let's put it in a nice bottom here. Almost has a little bit of a head and a head and shoulders here. Home ends, watch for a breakout here. Looks like it was trying to Friday. AK Steel, nice triangle. Watch for this one. It's kind of consolidating sideways right now, but watch for a breakout. Hornbeck Offshore, HOS, huge volume. Actually had a 7% move on Friday, or actually I guess it was Thursday because the market was closed Friday. It's Thursday, so watch for a break higher. It may rest and consolidate a little bit before it goes higher. IBKR, Interactive Brokers, watch for a breakdown or a breakout of this triangle. INT, World Fuel Services, kind of an ugly shape kind of triangle, but nice big earnings, gap up, and so watch that one. It's been consolidating a little bit there after the earnings. Then Newmont Mining, big breakouts. A lot of these have actually already broke out, but they definitely should have more upside to them, especially if the market's pretty good this week, like I'm expecting. Tim Hortons, kind of all this almost like a little pennant. So it actually peaked above it right there on Thursday. AEIS, Advanced Energy Solutions, actually broke out on Wednesday and is still holding this. This is definitely a low risk buy point right in this area. Tons of volume, definitely institutional buying here. Here's some couple of head and shoulders. This Anglo Gold looks like it has a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. Broke out Thursday with volume. Looking another gold stock that looks good. Of course, Royal Gold, another looks like it's put it in a bottom here of a shoulder, a little bit of a head, another shoulder here. Huge move, 6% on Thursday. Watch for some more upside. Here's some flags, some bull flags. BP, which actually already broke out of it, but if oil broke out there Thursday, so watch your energy stocks. Here's LKQX. Sorry about that. LKQX. Broke out, had some good volume, so watch for higher prices here. It actually looks like a cup with kind of a handle to it a little bit. Another flag, Celgene, been watching this one. Teva, been watching this one. Here's some that are still consolidating. This thing's been going sideways here, so watch a breakout above the 25 area. Vico, nice consolidation, watch for a breakout. Clack, KLA Kincor, huge volumes coming into this one. As soon as it tried to break out Thursday, pulled back into this little area where it's consolidating. So watch for the next move up on that one. Cree, this thing has been consolidating for a few weeks now, so keep an eye on Cree for the next move higher on it. SanDisk looks similar to Cree with the consolidation, except just not as long. MEE, Massey's Energy's looking good. Broke out, had lots of volume. Here's some more, lots of breakouts here. Intaps looking good for higher prices. Denbury Resources looking good. Still stock GGB. This one I would wait for. Some of these you may know. This one I'd wait for a little bit of a dip if you can get one, because it's already kind of started running away a little bit. PetroChina looks good. Superior Energy Services, big breakout Thursday. XRTX, big gap up on earnings, so watch to see if it can hold that gap and move higher. Whiting Petroleum, big breakout Thursday, should have some more higher prices to follow. Capano Energy, another breakout. Like I said, after a lot of energy here. Diamond Offshore, watch that one. GOLD, another gold stock breaking out. Rig, TAM, of course the USO itself. ATMI, I don't know what this little stock is, but it's had some little good volume, and so watch it for higher prices, probably over the Thursday high. Canon, this thing, as long as it holds that trend line, it just keeps going higher. CNQ, huge volume and gap, or huge volume, huge candle there Thursday. Still watching this little German semiconductor, big volume coming in Thursday and gapped above this, and just nice nice bottom here of a head and shoulder and shoulder. Foster Wheeler breaking out, big move, almost 6%. Legg Mason, another breakout. VMed breaking out. Here's some that are near breakout. Rubicon Technology, so watch for it. I'd actually probably wait for over this high here at 2250, over that high. Let's put it in, you know, building out a nice base here. PCX, whoops, PC, I'll get it right here in a minute. Patriot Coal, watch for a breakout at the 22 level. This is more kind of a cup, I guess, and kind of a handle here. CLNE has been real strong. Watch for the next move higher over this high here of about 23. Actually got a 2370. I'll probably wait for that. Here's one near support, Ford. So it's touched here, here. Now it's here, and it's got some little, not a lot of support, but support here. So it's had a pretty decent pullback here. So you could probably buy Ford here again if you're bailed out of it. Then here's a quick look at what we kind of covered. And there's probably a lot more out there in patterns. You know, there's a lot of patterns, a lot of breakouts already. Some of them haven't gone very far yet, and they're going to definitely run higher. So if the market continues to move higher, and I expect a decent week next week again, even though I keep thinking we'll have a dip, even though I think it'll be a shallow dip when we have it. So, all right, that's it. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching.